Hi viewers, hello, welcome to Miss Khan channel. Now we are on the back way to Quetta from Hanna Orak Lake. I have presented the few road bumps and journey in my first part back to Quetta, and it's a second part of that series. We started travel from Hanna Orak Lake. This is also a place where people sit, and you can see people are arranging their barbecue and some other activities in the gardens nearby. You also see the beautiful paths of the stream that flow in the rainy seasons. Now it's a dry path. On the way you will see the local people and the different areas of the different villages. Also you can enjoy the culture of Pathan belt of Balochistan. It's going to be sunset now, and here, oh, we have to wait because he wanna turn his okay, start again. This area is famous for apple production. The apple of the Pakistan are famous for all over the world for its taste and delicious you can see the gardens of apples all around the road. Oh, it's a big bump. Also I will show you that people are sitting on the ground. There are some hotels and restaurants that present their local culture in their hotels. You can see they are sitting on the carpets and enjoy their company of their friends and family. This is a beautiful area of Pakistan, and these are the package of the apple they are delivering to market. Here again bump on the road. It's a village area, but you can see very civilized persons are living there. They have their own natural beauty, and oh look, this is a bridge that links to the apple garden. Some local community are standing here and there, and they are enjoying their chit chat and enjoying their routine life. It's a sunset time. People are washing their cars also. Oh look, it's a too well, and they make it a swimming pool. They enjoying their swimming there and enjoying the cool water, because nowadays it's hot days here in Pakistan. It's a summer days. You can also see the clean blue sky that present its beauty along with the green apples garden and mixed with mountain, and here you can enjoy the nature a lot. And local market, we are crossing local market, and some grocery shops and some small level of traders there. I hope you like the journey from Hanna Orak Lake to back to Quetta, and I hope you will comment in comment section to see what you wanna see next. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share it to see more and more and explore Pakistan with Miss Han. I hope you will enjoy this journey back to Quetta. Thank you for watching this video. Never forget to subscribe it.